In the late 1960s, Porsche had a tough challenge. They had success in motorsport, but to prove their true dominance, they had to take on the biggest challenge in motorsport, the 24 Hours of Le Mans. This is where the story of the 917 started. The design of the 917 was revolutionary. With a 4.5-litre flat 12-cylinder engine and a lightweight chassis, this was a machine built for one purpose: speed. But speed alone was not enough. The 917 was extremely difficult to drive in the beginning. It was a beast that needed to be tamed. In 1970, everything changed. After many hours of testing and optimization, the 917 finally broke through. The car achieved its first victory in Le Mans. It wasn't just a victory, it became a dominance. Porsche finished first and second. More than 50 years later, the legacy of the Porsche 917 remains alive and well. It wasn't just a car, it was a revolution on wheels. The 917th set the standard for what a racing car could be, and every Porsche built since then carries a piece of his soul. After the Le Mans, the Porsche 917 was unstoppable. It dominated not only on the European circuits, but also in North America. With the 917/30 in the Can-Am series, the car became an iconic symbol of pure power, with its engine producing over 1,100 horsepower. The Porsche 917, a symbol of power, speed, and perfection, a legend that will always live on in the hearts of car enthusiasts. You are going to see the Porsche 917 do a lap at Spa-Francorchamps. I would say, enjoy the fantastic sound.